we're going to solve a problem here, and with this word problem, we are going to use what's called the 5 representations model. So the first thing you always want to do when you have a math word problem is read it very carefully. It says that Max can fold 78 shirts in an hour. How many shirts has he folded after 5 hours? Show your answer as a table and a graph. So I have to use this section and this section of my sheet. Alright, make sure you understand what you're doing, and if you don't understand what you're doing, read the problem again. Max can fold 78 shirts in an hour. How many shirts has he folded after 5 hours? So in doing my table, I'm start out with 2 columns, and inside my columns I have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You might be asking me what that comes from. Well, that's simply hour number 1, hour number 2, hour number 3, hour number 4, and hour number 5. It is okay to use a calculator on a problem like this. And for 1 hour, you can do 78 shirts. 2 times 78 is going to give me the total that he's done after 2 hours. He has now done 156 shirts. 3 times 78 is 234 shirts. So after 3 hours, he's done 234 shirts. Okay, for 4 hours, I would add another 78. So 78 plus 234. We are now up to 312 shirts that Max is folding. Alright, and for that final hour, 5 times 78 equals 390 shirts. So after 5 hours, he has folded 390 shirts. Alright, now I need to show my answer also as a graph. So I'm going to draw my graph. And I have my hour 1, hour 2, hour 3, hour 4, and hour 5. And then I need to stop and think about my other scale. And I need to go from like 0 to almost 400. So each tick mark on this axis here, which is the y-axis, I'm going to make 100. So there's 100, 200, 300, and I'll extend my axis just a little bit. Here is 400 shirts. So after 1 hour, he has done 78 shirts. So that's about 3/4 of the way to 100. So I think I'll put a dot right there. I'll make sure I try to do my dot just a little bit bigger. After 2 hours, we have 156 shirts. So that is about right in the middle of 100 and 200. After 3 hours, we have done 234 shirts. So about right there, we can make a 234. After 4 hours, I'm up to 312 shirts. So just a little bit above the 300. And at 5 hours, I am almost up to 400 shirts. Okay, your graph then is going to look something like this. And if you have aligned your points carefully, you should be able to take a line and connect the points like this. Alright, so after 5 hours, we have folded 390 shirts. So my answer would be 390 shirts. You can watch this video again as many times as it takes to understand how to solve a problem using both a table and a graph.